Oh, it is Friday, and I am back in the office. It is Halloween, and there are already trick-or-treaters walking down Main Street here in Moorestown. The weekend is upon us, and if you are out and about this tonight with the kids or you're driving around, please be safe and be responsible. Remember, the kids are out in the streets, so if you're driving, be aware of that. Friday is always a busy weekend. Is always a busy day for our law firm going into the weekends. A lot of criminal cases do unfortunately happen over the weekend. Halloween, while people think of it as a kid holiday, there are a lot of adults going to costume parties and other events, especially the fact that Halloween fell on a Friday this year. Probably a lot of younger people will be out having parties and events. So if you're out and about, I always give my weekend advice if you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It'll never help your criminal case. Warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. For the most part in Pennsylvania. Police need a warrant to search your car. In either state, if police are asking for permission to search your car, they probably don't have enough for a warrant or have probable cause to search it. So you just want to say no there respectfully to the officer. If they search the car, don't get in their way. Don't put your hands on the officer. Be respectful, but just let the officer know that you're not giving consent. If they find something in the car, you're under no obligation to say anything. My advice is to remain silent. With regards to firearms, remember that there is no reciprocity between Pennsylvania and New Jersey, so your Pennsylvania firearm cannot go into New Jersey. If you're traveling between the states, the gun has to be in a lockbox and the ammo has to be kept separately. That is the best way to just ensure that you're being compliant. With regards to field sobriety test, again, you're not obligated to take a field sobriety test, but just be aware that if you have any kind of physical limitations, make the officer aware of that. Or if you have some injury that prevents you from doing those tests, make the officer aware of that. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available. Putting out a lot of content recently on things like warrantless searches, self-defense. We're getting closer to the holiday season. We understand that these are hot button issues. They're always hot button issues, but especially during the holiday season, we found that just based on our experience in these matters, there's been an uptick of instances where the issue of self-defense becomes an issue in a criminal matter. And as always, as I said before, when it comes to traffic stops, warrantless searches are probable cause to search and search warrants, whether it be in a car or in your house, are all important issues. They are pretrial issues that I discuss in my blog. I'm going to link in the update link to this video. I'm also going to link in the blog a link to our website, updating our website recently. It is some great updates we have there. We've made it a lot more streamlined, so check it out. Again, have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. And again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429. Again, have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you all very soon.